we're going to use a couple on the 5th fret, and the chords, we're only going to play 4 chords, and the 4 chords are A minor, C, G, and then F, the last chord. So just to come closer and explain the whole thing. So couple on the 5th means couple, this is couple on the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th. So you couple with this gadget called a couple. So that's a couple. Make sure the strings don't buzz at all. Awesome. So we're going to talk about the first chord. The first chord is A minor, where we hold on. Now we're going to say this will be our 1st fret. So we're going to hold on the 2nd string. So the thinnest string is the 1st string, the 2nd string is this one, on the 1st fret. So put your index finger there on the 2nd string, fret 1. Then put the 2nd finger on the 2nd fret, fret 1, fret 2, but now on string number 4. String number 4. Then put the 3rd finger on the 2nd fret, but now on the 3rd string, like so. And then start strumming from the 5th string up to the 2nd string, like that. So that is our first chord. The next chord will be a C. So moving from A to C, you are not supposed to remove, moving from A minor to C, sorry, you're not supposed to remove finger 1 and finger 2. You're only supposed to move finger 3, that is the index. So the first finger, which is the index, is finger 1, finger 2 is the middle finger, finger 3 is the ring finger, and finger 4 is the pinky, the smallest. So we are saying we are not supposed to move your index and your middle finger. You're supposed to move your ring finger to the 3rd fret of the 5th string. So I'm going to move like this. So if you can see from this point to this point, from this point to here. So same thing, start strumming from the 5th string. So A minor, then C, like that. So from A minor to C, like that. And then the 3rd chord is G. So G, you hold, you can choose to play in 2 ways. You can choose to use finger 2, 3 and 4. You start with the middle finger being on the 2nd fret, string number 5, and then the ring finger to be on the 3rd fret, the ring finger to be on the 3rd fret, 6th string, and then the pinky also on the 3rd fret, but now on string number 1. That is one way to go about holding the G. Another way of holding the G, use your index finger, which is finger number 1, hold on the 2nd fret, string number 5. Then use your finger number 2, which is the middle finger, to hold string number 6 on the 3rd fret. As you remember, this is our 1st fret, 2nd fret and 3rd fret. Then use the ring finger to hold string number 1 on the 3rd fret, like so. I hope you guys can see, like so. So that's our G. This is our G chord. Okay, so we said we have A minor, A minor, A minor, then C, then you go to G, G, G you strum from the top to the bottom of the strings, so like so. Then the last chord is F. So chord F, you're supposed to hold the last two strings on the first fret. So it's string number 1, string number 2, string number 1, string number 2, there. Then hold the third string of the second fret. So this is the second fret, string 1, string 2, string 3, there. Then the third finger, which is the ring finger, to hold string number 4 on the third fret. So string fret 1, fret 2, fret 3 on the fourth string, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's where we're going to hold. Make sure the index finger holds down tight the first two string, which is string number 1, string number 2. Make sure they do not buzz, and you're supposed to start strumming from the fourth string going downwards. Okay, like that. Every string is clean, there's no buzzing. So from the first chord, which is A minor, you go to C, then you go to G, then you go to F. So a wider view should be like okay. Thank you guys. If you want to learn guitar, you can inbox me, then we'll get to talk. If you want my book, which has explained these chords in detail, how they are formed, how they come about, the progression that we are using, why couple on the fourth fret, get my book. You can inbox me and we can be able to, you can comment down there and I'll get in touch definitely. So thank you. See you again on the next lesson.